Hello friends, first of all welcome to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushnam. Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it is very beautiful at the same time, because in this video I am sharing very beautiful and wide variety of hand embroidered, handmade, very decent and elegant designer style yet easy to make hand embroidered shirts, hand embroidered tops, hand embroidered tunic, hand embroidered kameez, kurti, hand embroidered sweaters, as well many different designs of hand embroidery neckline design patterns. So the answer is you can use these neckline design ideas for any type of shirts or tops wherever you want to use. So I hope that you are liking my today's collection, because the whole design ideas are very beautiful and pretty at the same time. You can wear them for your everyday use as well, and at the same time you can use these very decent and elegant designer pretty style dresses for your formal outfits, like office dresses. If you are a university, a school or college going person, then you can simply use these outfits for your very beautiful everyday classy look of your school, college or university. You can also make these very beautiful patterns onto your party dresses to give a more decent and elegant look. Very beautiful and easy hand embroidery stitches based denim embroidery ideas could be used to utilize to design your denim shirts, denim jackets, pants, or any type of denim material fabric that you use for your dressing material. I hope that you really like my today's collection. If you really like, then do try these patterns and share your experiences with us. And not only this, kindly comment below this video what you want us to share with you and how you feel about our content. And once again, thank you so much for watching my content. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Meet you soon with new videos with some new ideas.